Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video I want to welcome our new Finxter freelancer student, Michael. So welcome, Michael, to the freelancer course. Great to have you on board. I appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great decision. Freelancing is very exciting these days, and in these welcome videos, first of all, I want to give you some appreciation for joining the freelancer course and joining the community, and also want to tell you that you should definitely check out the Discord group, and I want you to be active in the Discord group. So share Discord mastermind group, which comes with the course. So share your successes and share your failures, and don't hold anything back, because only if we have the transparency within the group, we can actually help each other out and learn from each other. Okay, so in this video I want to give you a quick motivating case study. It's nothing super special, but I think it could be a great niche if you're interested in trading or algorithmic trading. I'm interested in a niche. I like to create trading bots and stuff, but I don't believe in those bots too much, right? Because I think often a buy and hold strategy is better than just trading stuff. And if you trade, you actually make the broker rich, right? Because you have a lot of trading fee. But this doesn't mean that there's no demand for freelance developers who are actually able to create trading bots, right? There's definitely a huge demand. So many people actually don't have this same sentiment that I have against trading. Many people actually would love to hire freelance developers who can give them some trading bots, right? And and I think it's an exciting opportunity. I have found many jobs there on Upwork, just going over giving out some trading bots. And the nice thing with this niche is that if you have developed a couple of trading bots already, if you have the background information, this actually applies to many niches. If you have done it a couple of times, it gets easier and easier and easier, right, to finish the gig. Because if the trading bot is already done for one client, then chances are that giving out a trading bot to another client is very, very efficient for you as a freelance developer. So you can often create huge value for gigs, say earning $500, and you can do it in a couple of hours, right? Maybe in 2 or 3 hours, because you already have prepared everything. This is the power of choosing one niche and focusing on this niche, and actually trying to master any aspect of this niche, rather than switching between different niches, because the grass is always greener for another niche. So let's dive into a case study. This is Vincent from France, and he's actually focused very nicely, trading bot developer, earning $80 per hour, which is slightly above average, I think, for Python coders. So if you check out official statistics, the average income of a Python freelancer would be between $51 and $61 per hour in the US. So this guy earns $80 per hour in French, which is it is less expensive to live there, I would say, on average, and he earns a bit more. So I would say he has a great life, right? So maybe if he works 5 hours per day, this would be $400 per day, right? Per working day, which is great. I mean, working just 5 hours. Okay, and if you enjoy trading, then of course it would be a very, very interesting task. Okay, and you can see more and more trading is actually done on crypto platforms. Why is that? Because crypto platforms usually usually traders are not. They often don't care about the underlying asset. They just care about trading strategies, right? So often they don't care whether it is a stock or an option or a cryptocurrency. They just try to play out some algorithms, some trading algorithms. For example, calculating the moving average or so, and if it crosses the moving average from above, they sell, and if it crosses from below, they buy, or something like this. Okay, so traders like to do those kind of games, and they don't care about the underlying asset. And often, the more volatility, the more opportunity you have as a trader, and of course you have the biggest opportunity in this regard for crypto trading. So that's why many trading bot developer nowadays actually do crypto trading bots. And we actually on the Finxter Academy, you can check it out if you go to the academy.finxter.com. Now my Wi-Fi seems to be very slow. So we have a couple of algorithmic trading courses here, like this Binance Trading API, mastering trading strategies, and we have Binance Trading API, creating your first simple crypto trading bot. So these are these actually will give you the framework and the code to be able to actually plug into an exchange and perform some algorithmic trades automatically, programmatically, and now you can simply switch out the logic, the trading logic, if you want. Like, but you could also like just take those trading bots we provide you here. Actually, the Finxter creator Yogesh has done a great course, and you can just use his bot, modify them a bit, and earn some money as a trading bot developer on Upwork, right? So I think it's a great opportunity, and as always, like, it is very important for you to have a high job success score. The people, like, if you have a top-rated badge, this means that you belong to the top 5% of coders on Upwork, and I think if you do this, you will always have some gig, you will always have work, and you can always charge some hourly rates that are very satisfactory. Okay, anyways, thanks for joining the Freelancer course, Michael. If you have any questions, then check out the mastermind group, and see you in the course. Bye.